stop until I investigate this.
I want to stop. Soda! Now!
Is there any complaints? Stop.
You touch me again.
Stop. I tell you to stop, you stop. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Until I...
Faggot.
Now you did.
Soda?
Put your feet in the car.
You like it, don't you? Soda.
James, what are you trying to
James,
do?
put your feet in the car.
Soda!
Officers respond to a disturbance at a restaurant. A male suspect, James Rosso, is causing a scene, fixated on getting a soda, becomes confrontational, and ultimately punches an officer in the face. What stands out is the suspect's intense fixation. He keeps yelling, "Soda now," even as officers try to talk to him.
Stop! How did we get off?
Can you help me with him?
I'm 22.
Okay.
I'm 22.
He had a
Wait.
drink. We came in here to eat, and he's making a big scene.
Okay,
and
can you put the dog
I'm not
right
drunk at all, sir.
Okay.
He won't leave me alone.
What the hell's going on here?
The problem
He's
is,
putting a big scene in his business.
I need soda.
Okay. So what
He won't let me have
you go to
soda.
soda to Waffles?
Soda. They serve soda.
Okay. Did you eat
I
here?
got money. No, he won't.
Stop.
He won't let me.
Stop for a second. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask the questions and you answer
let
them.
him-
Who are you exactly?
I'm Officer Jeff Lindemann with the New Lenox Police Department.
I know.
Okay.
No, I
Don't
got
touch
this.
me.
Touch him.
Do not touch me.
You're not touching.
Everything is video and audio recorded.
I love it. You want it? It's mine.
I said
It's mine.
What is your issue today?
I want my soda.
hard whiskey or something.
This is what we're going to get into an argument with. This is why the police are here, because you want a soda.
Soda? Sack. You know that? I want my soda.
I'm here to investigate something. What is there any complaints? Stop.
You touch me again.
Stop. I tell you to stop, you stop.
That's right.
Don't please don't do that.
I got money, dude.
Okay, you know what? Can you find out what's going on with this? Just give me 2 minutes and you can get your soda, okay? Just give me 2 minutes. Stop. I just asked for 2 minutes of your freaking time. That's all I'm asking for.
He's in there.
Okay? I'm asking. There's soda.
Soda.
Yeah? Stop.
Soda.
I don't care if you say soda 1,000 times.
Right.
Okay? I asked you to stop. You're going to stop until I investigate this.
I want to stop. Soda! Now! Now! I got a sack!
What does a sack mean? Stop.
I could take your sack if you want. Get me out of here.
Stop. Right here.
I want to go into a restaurant to
You're
get
not
soda.
going anywhere until I leave. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Until I...
Faggot.
Now you did. Now you did. Cough. No, that's it. Nah, just keep me payment. Hey, what are you doing? That's my money, don't take it.
You are under arrest for aggravated battery to a police
I got
officer.
a sack, faggot.
Okay.
You fucking... Get off!
You want to explain to me? I got one detained for aggravated battery
Get
to a
off.
police officer.
Stop.
Stop tempting me. And now you did it for yourself.
You guys want the White Castle? I can buy you White Castle.
No.
Can you get his information, please?
141 copy.
Right now. What the fuck's going on?
You're under arrest for domestic or for aggravated battery to a police officer.
You say, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You're
I got
under
money
arrest.
to
I don't
eat there.
care. Do you have anything on you I need to know about?
No, I got a cop.
Robert,
No, bitch.
00
Yeah, you fucking like that, bitch. I'm talking to you.
I'm listening. Can you open up the door, please?
What's going on?
You're under arrest for...
got him? I got him.
I got
Who are you with?
the New Lenox Police Department. I identified myself previously to you.
Yeah. You got soda?
No, I don't have soda.
Hey, motherfucker, that's my money. It's my fucking money.
Sit down.
My fucking money.
Get your feet in there.
Who
I'm
are
going to
you?
give you back my money. Your money.
You give it back?
Yes, I'm going to give you back your money and your vape. Put your feet in the car.
Hey,
your
you.
feet.
Get the fucking phone on.
Get your feet in the car.
I want somebody else.
You're not having anyone else. This isn't White Castle.
Listen, put your feet in the car and we'll get you somebody else, okay?
Who are you? Hey, what's going on?
You just threw a punch at him in his face.
Yeah.
You're arrested. You need to get in the car.
I'm not arrested.
You are
You
arrested.
are arrested. That's why you're in handcuffs right now, because you punched him in the face. So you need to put your feet in the car. And then we're going to go from there, okay, James?
Fag fuck.
Okay, put your feet in the car.
I'd like out.
Put your feet. You're not going out.
There's
I'm telling you
soda
right
in
now.
there. Soda?
Put your feet in the car.
You f***ing like it, don't you? Soda.
James, what are you trying to
James,
do?
put your feet in the car.
Soda.
Just put your feet in the car, man. That's all we're asking.
Actually?
Yeah, we're not trying to be difficult with it. Can you just put your feet in the car for us?
2 days later, on a quiet night in a car park, the police met James Rosso, born 2014. Note, DOB seems unusually young, possibly transcription error or juvenile-related case. Officers interact with another individual, possibly family or acquaintance who recently got out of jail. Discussion about suspect's family. Brother returned to Tennessee with mother. Suspect's cell phone is returned and he's transported. And this time he was very cooperative without saying any harsh words at all.
Next 109, the 28th Valence here, James Rosso, white, 2014 Jeep. He is attached, born in 64 Valence.
Unless James cut his hair.
Nah. We can check. But Sarge was telling me that the brother went back to Tennessee with the mom.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, Dad's head's that way.
Yeah.
That's Junior. Junior cut his hair. What's up, dude? You okay?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Can you step out?
Yep.
Step back over here.
Sure.
You got a haircut last time I seen you.
How you feeling?
So good.
Yeah? When'd you get released?
I want to say a month ago.
A month ago?
Yeah.
Good. Why you guys don't stay in the house no more?
Not right now, no.
No. Who's in there with you? Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your brother at?
He's out by Carbondale.
He's down there?
Yeah.
I got you. Alright. So here's what's up, bud. Turn around. Put your hands on the trunk. You ain't gonna poke or stab us, hurt us, nothing like that, right?
No.
Okay. Do me a favor. I'm just gonna take your hand.
Yeah.
Put it in handcuffs real quick, alright, bud? So I know you're probably wondering what the heck is going on. But did you have a little incident with a couple of police officers the other day?
Yeah.
Okay. You got anything that's gonna poke me, stab me, hurt me, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Cool. There you go, bud. Here, buddy. Do you want your cell phone?
My cell phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, step out one more time. I'm just gonna check you one more time.
Hop in.
Yeah, one more time, I'm sorry.
The suspect was in a highly agitated state, fixated on getting soda, non-compliant with basic requests, and escalated to physical resistance and assault when officers tried to detain him. Alcohol or substance influence is implied. He denies being drunk, but the core trigger was refusal to calm down and allow officers to investigate the disturbance complaint. Punching an officer turned a misdemeanor disturbance into a felony. He was charged as battery on a police officer, resisting or obstructing a peace officer.